Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. This is another exciting video where I'm going to introduce to you one of our dealer-certified pre-owned motorcycles. Our dealer-certified pre-owned motorcycles at Harley-Davidson of Danbury are cut above all the rest. Harley-Davidson of Danbury is a 30-year family-owned business. We're located right here off Exit 7 off I-84 in Danbury, Connecticut. And I want to introduce you. My name is Al Lucchino, and I want to introduce you to this 2023 975 Nightster Special. Now, what is a Nightster Special? We've got a 975cc liquid-cooled Revolution Max engine, 6-speed transmission, fuel injection, anti-lock brakes, but the Nightster Special elevates the trim level, more upscale tank graphics, the bright silver wheels, front and back, passenger pillion, passenger foot pegs. So you're fully equipped. This one also comes with the optional 4-point docking hardware on it. It has only 3,456 miles. So this is really a low mileage mint example. We've just serviced the bike, but there's some other features here too. Very cool looking hand grip mounted mirrors. Styling is excellent. We've got a very good handling 19 16-inch front and rear wheel combination tires. And this one has the optional S&S slip-on muffler, so it's got some really nice sound to it. It sounds like a Harley. It sounds like a motorcycle. And I'm going to say this on behalf of all of my Harley-Davidson customers. Enough with the electric motorcycles and the Harley-Davidson Livewire and the failure that that represents. We want motorcycles that sound like motorcycles, and we want Harleys that sound like Harley-Davidsons. This S&S muffler goes a long way to doing that on this 975 Special. So as we walk around, you've got features like LED lighting, beautiful vivid black paint, adjustable brake and clutch levers. We've got a heavy breather style air cleaner. The bike is light, sub 500 pounds, 95 horsepower, lots of performance. So this is a great motorcycle. This bike sells for under $10K. Serviced, it's turnkey, you don't have to do a thing to it, and financing is available for qualified buyers at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. So you can find us at 203-730-2453. We're also a factory authorized Jekyll and Hyde multi-mode exhaust system. That's a handlebar mounted exhaust where you got quiet, medium, and loud all at the touch of a button. That's a great system. We love it, and it's one of our most popular exhaust systems. And right behind me is our DynoJet 250i dynamometer, where at Harley-Davidson of Danbury we can dyno tune and test and improve the performance of your carbureted or fuel-injected motorcycle. So come on down and visit us at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6, and Saturdays, 10 to 4. Thank you for watching. Come on down, let's take this 975 Nightster Special out for a test ride. See you soon.